Hello friends from YouTube. Today we are going to see what is inside of this measuring device. This is an Avometer number 8. This is made by a company called Avo Limited, a member of the Torn group from England. It's a very interesting and very nice looking equipment. Here we have some instruction on how to use it. Here inside we have the batteries, but we are going to look in just a moment, just to go a little bit from the front. So we have the common connection lead, DC and DC plus and AC, 3 kilovolts AC and 3 kilovolts DC. So this is only for measuring voltage, alternative and current voltage, and also resistance. We have 3 scales, 0 to 500, 1000, 2000, 0 to 3, and 0 to 10. This is for calibrating the needle, but I think there is no power. This hasn't been open for a very long time. Let's see what we have inside. Take it. Oh, very bad. As you can see, this is a very old battery. Very nasty one. Pro cell industrial alkaline battery. 1.5 volts. Lima Romeo 20. Sorry, but this is old. It's for 2002. So we have some spare fuses. No, it's not a spare fuse. It's the fuse for the battery. Nice. This is a spare fuse. So see, this is a working fuse and this is a spare. 1 amp precision fuse. So very nice. And here we have, I think, another battery. Yes. We have a small bracket to hold the battery to be easy to take it out. And we have a 15 volts ever ready battery. Ever ready. Interesting. I wonder if it has something inside. So let's see if we have something. No. 2.2 volts. This is only for reference. We are going to leave it here. And we have 2 places where we have to take some rubber sealings. This is for hiding the place where you have to put the screwdriver to reach the screws. Let's open and see what we have inside. Here we have one easy one. And here we have a warranty, I think, which I just broke it. That's it. That was the last one. Yes, all those screws. And let's see what we have here. Let's take a small picture. Just to know where everything goes. Oh, the smell of old electronics is so nice. Oh, very nice. Very looking instrument. So here we have the power leads. Very nice looking. Oh, nice. We have a coil with different. Oh, this is the shunt. The shunt. I don't know. What do you think? What can be this device? It has a lot of traces on the PCB, very thin and long traces that go back and forth and then up and down. Nice. Oh, I think this I'm not doing a very good job. Yes, it's bad. But anyway, it looks good. I'm so amazed of the quality of this measuring device. It's very nice. Even if it's old, the passion to do all the things by hand is very nice. Yes, very nice looking equipment. So, what do you think about this? It's nice, isn't it? If you have any question, if you have any ideas, if you have question about what kind of parts are in here, maybe you have one that is broken and you don't have the values, just give a message below and I will come back with an answer that it will be good for you, so don't hesitate. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please, and share, why not. Thank you very much and happy tinkering.